Hey, what's going on, guys? Sean or Mustang09, and we're back with another video, and this one is just for you guys. That's right, we're doing a giveaway in this video, so stay tuned. But real quick, we're gonna head out to the proving grounds, run that 0 to 60 in sport mode because you guys let me know that's what you wanted to see. So we're gonna hit that real quick and come right back to this giveaway. Thanks for the awesome advice in the last video. You guys really let me know that there is a sport mode on this truck. I guess I knew that from when I first picked it up, but I had totally forgotten about it, man. So thank you for the reminder. What I need to do is hit the traction control button twice, and then it'll turn on sport mode over here. Back at the proving grounds, we're taking the downhill slope a little bit. It's really flat, I promise. It's not that much downhill. It's just not uphill. We'll do the locker, then turn AC off. Now we're ready to rock. Viewing the footage, and if you saw the last video, if you didn't, click up in the corner, go check it out. We did a whole video on 0 to 60 times and even hit a little bit of 1/8 mile and 1/4 mile in it with the beast. It's nothing too impressive, but what we were really going for is seeing if 37s and being leveled changes the performance. Everybody says I'm crazy for saying that it feels the same as stock, because honestly the get up and go feels great. On our last run the other day, our best was 790. This one was a 787 when we put it in sport mode. So not a huge difference. I don't think sport mode makes a crazy difference from being off the line. Maybe it's better from a rolling start, but on a 0 to 60 standpoint, it didn't improve it anything crazy. Same road, pretty much same weather condition. There we go, definitive answer. 780 something, 787, 0 to 60 foot, leveled on 37s. They're 37 1250 by 18s. They're the Nitto Ridge Grappler. Put that one to bed. We'll get back to this video and get to the lights. We have here some GTR lighting. I think it's a 1000 lumen LED light. This is for our reverse light and our F250. The awesome guys over at Headlight Revolution hit me up and they were like, hey man, we want to do a giveaway on your channel and we have some new lights that came out. We think they're better than the Supernova V4s, so we want you to run them. Let us know what you think and do a giveaway to your awesome fans, because you guys show so much support to me and to Headlight Revolution. They love you guys. So here they are. These are the GTR lighting tail lights, LEDs. They look sick. And here is the giveaway set. All brand new, man. They look great. So this will go to one of you lucky viewers. The giveaway is for you guys. So what I want you to do is go in the comment section below and just type in Headlight Revolution rocks. Put that in the comment section below. We'll do the giveaway on the 17th of September because that's my birthday. So I will give back to you guys for my birthday. Thanks to Headlight Revolution, we'll give these tail lights away then. So September 17th is the deadline. Type in the comment section below Headlight Revolution rocks to get your entry in for this. No purchase necessary. Go down there, type a comment. That's all you got to do. And it'd be awesome if it's a guy who actually owns a Super Duty. That way they can use it on their truck. You can post about it on Instagram or Facebook, tag me, tag HR. It'd be super cool. So let's get into the install and show you guys the difference of the set I have in now versus the GTR lighting one. Tools for the install are real simple. We've got a little bit of dielectric grease here, 8mm socket, handy rag. That way you can wipe up any excess dielectric grease you have. We're gonna put this on our plugs so that we don't have to worry about water getting in. It helps with heat. It's just a really good idea to run this stuff on all of your lighting accessories, anything with a plug. You'll hear it pop, bring it out. Push down. Easy thing to remember is to push in and then pull out, just like that. Just pull right out. There we go. That was easy. Then we have our lights, which we need to assemble. So you have the connection for the plug. So we have our plug here, just gonna run a little bit of grease around this fitting. Help make sure no dirt, debris, water gets in there. We're not gonna put it on the connection itself. We will line this up. Here's the inside of the plug, and I wanted to show you, it's got this little guide right there. So there's no way you can plug this in wrong. There's really only one way it can go. Take your rubber grommet, Slides down all the way. Plug it in, nice click. This guy should push right into place. That's it. That's super simple. Oh, don't fall. Easy, guy. One thing I do want to note, on these lights you have a guide hole that goes right here. Guides like a pin. There's one in the rear too right there, and one down low. So you can line those up so you're not just slamming this thing into place. Boom. Now let's test it. As you can tell, it's dark out. It is really dark out. Courtney's gonna turn the truck on, put it in reverse. Put it in reverse, Terry. Back up, back, whoa. I think I need to get on top of the bed and look back. We shut the garage door. There's no extra light coming in out here other than the reverse lights of the truck. The biggest difference I see out of the new GTR lighting ones, which are on the passenger side here, is that they shoot a lot further, it seems, than the Supernova ones. The Supernova ones are still very bright, as you can tell looking up on the house and stuff. But looking back over this way, it just seems that the GTR lights go further down the fence line and they shoot further down into the driveway. But even from back here, you can tell that that one just looks brighter. Very cool. I'm gonna swap the other one in so I don't have two different lights now. But I can do it in the dark because it's super easy. Take me a couple minutes. Okay, there we go. We have both of the GTR 1000 lumen lights in. Looking good. Install straightforward. But there you go, man. See, you can tell in this shot how it fills up more of the concrete area, as before with just the passenger side, it just seemed like the left side here was really bright, but now over here, you can tell it's totally different. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks to Headlight Revolution for sponsoring a set of taillights for our channel and for my truck. Once again, leave a comment down below. Headlight Revolution rocks to get entered into win for your F250. Make sure you check them out too. Link in the description, headlightrevolution.com. Use code Mustang09, I think it is, for a free shipping. I'll put all that down below in the description so that you have it easy to use. And keep an eye on their website, guys. They're always running 10% off in different ads, especially on all these holidays that we have coming up. Thanks again for watching. Catch you boys back here next time. Take it easy. Peace.